Here we are guys, we're back, episode 4. Still can't quite believe it. I know I've said it now 3 times in a row, but can't believe it, and absolutely loving doing it so far. It's getting me so inspired to work on the car. To be honest, I wouldn't have done anything like this amount in such a short period of time, and I think it's been good so far, and thanks again for watching. So yeah, got to apologise guys, this is actually the second day I'm sitting in the car having a coffee. It is freezing cold. Most of the work was actually done yesterday. We had success stories. We finished the rear driver's side. The only bit in the sill that I would say actually needed a dramatic amount of work was that bit, one layer repair. So that repair is now complete. I will hopefully be able to show you that. And we went on to the front. Now I'm going to ask a question about the front. That's around the jacking point. The sill isn't rusty as such, but it will require a repair because I think the car, when it's been jacked up at some stage, has kind of flattened the edge on it. So I'm hoping you guys can confirm with me what the best thing to do there would be. I don't know whether we want to cut into the sill and replace a bit that's not actually rusty, or whether we try and pull it straight. But if you guys could help with that, that would be brilliant. Guys, dustiest GTR in the UK. And what do we think? Does it need that GTR badge back on? Being under the back of the car so much, rear discs and pads have become a priority. Do you think now that I'm under there I should recondition the subframe? I know it's a big plunge, but it looks fairly clean now. Should be an easy job, but should I commit to that? And lastly, thanks again for watching. We'll be back. I'll try and do this every week. I think I can aim for every Sunday night. Next Sunday we'll complete the sill repairs. We had a go at the radiator mounts yesterday, so they should be ready for next episode as well, next Sunday. And I think just when we're under the car and come across various things, I'll no doubt next Sunday I'll hopefully have a plan for the following week. But thanks again for watching guys, and hope you enjoy.